Guys, this is Video Gamer, where today I shall be explaining I'll be explaining why I became a YouTuber, and this episode was suggested by Wildshock Gamer. You can look down there in the description is the name of his channel. Type that in, and bam, you got his channel. Anywho, here's how it started. It started when I was 16. I got a job at McDonald's. I got in this argument with my boss because this guy dropped his food. It was bumping into me walking, so when he was walking, bumped me, dropped his food and tripped, and then got a refund and had an argument with my boss. So we got in this argument. Then my boss ended up saying, "You're fired." Then I had no idea what to do. So luckily, Foxy77 told me that I should be a YouTuber to get some money for a job. Then I said, try it out. Okay, then I created my account. And then I decided to create my video. Then I created my account. Then I created Video Gamer. Then I changed my picture to a gaming. Then Blastoise. Then I did the Peter Griffin one. And that was filming. It was film. Then I actually did a screenshot. And then afterwards, after that, my laptop broke, and I couldn't do like PC vids. So then I ended up doing everything on my iPad after I found out how to create stuff on my channel. But luckily, so then Wildshock Gamer created this thing for me, and that's what I used for Video Gamer Vlog. And then he told me how to change pictures on your iPad, and then I used my iPad to edit the channel. It took me about 2 hours to get the hang of it. So yep. That's how it is. So Wildshock Gamer, thanks for your suggestion. You guys can leave another suggestion in the comments down below for what I should do next. Anywho, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Peace out.